Most people don't know how to grow their freelance writing income. They don't know how to see results. Well, until you show me your writing progress, that's when I, not just any person, become an expert at freelance writing. In this video I'll be telling you how to grow your freelance writing income the right way. The old-fashioned way. I'll show you how to find and write about topics that interest you, how to improve your skills, and how to make extra money from freelance writing. Start from scratch. If you're interested in growing your freelance writing income the right way, you need to start from scratch. You won't be able to grow your freelance writing income if you're familiar with the industry, your skills, and your company. You'll need to learn about SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, and more. The point of this blog is to help you get started, so off you go. Write every day for at least 5 days. If you want to grow your freelance writing income the right way, write every day for at least 5 days. I guarantee that you'll become better at writing as you're now. With the right tools, you'll be able to find topics that interest you and write about them more effectively. You'll be able to find new ways to make money from freelance writing and improve your skills. All you need is to want to write and enough time to spare. Write until you cry. If you're looking to write any longer, I can't help you. The thing is, most people don't know how to grow their freelance writing income the right way. They don't know how to see results. They don't know anything. Well, until you show me your writing progress, that's when I, not any person, become an expert at freelance writing. In this video I'll be telling you how to grow your freelance writing income the right way, the old-fashioned way. You can find information about expensive school programs and ways to find good jobs at an early age. You can also find out ways to save money on groceries and less expensive college degrees. These are just a few of the things that will help you grow your freelance writing income the right way. Make a second career out of freelance writing in order to see any real results. You need to be working on 2 things, ones that you're passionate about and which you've been working on for a while. If you only have one thing to work on, it's probably the things you might feel like you have no choice but to work on those things. Even if you don't, it's important to be able to work on both your personal and professional goals at the same time though. That way you can really get a sense for where your time and effort are being spent and see if it's right for you. The 2 things you need are strong creativity and the ability to learn new things quickly. Growth hurdles and tips for revisionism. Freelance writing is a dream come true for many people, but there are just as many challenges as there are benefits to pursuing it. There are the typical ones about how to get started, life being what it is. What I'll be telling you is how to grow your freelance writing income the right way, the old-fashioned way. In fact, it's not hard, it's simplinered as most people are lead believe. That's until you start using my tips and do the work that wants done. This video is going to be all about how to grow your freelance writing income the right way, the old-fashioned way. Here you'll be able to find and write about topics that interest you, how to write better, learn skills, and make extra money from freelance writing. It's a huge list, but with my help you'll be able to achieve everything you desire in less than 2 months. How to use freelance writing to grow your business. In order to grow your freelance writing income the right way, you need to understand what freelance writing means. Freelance writing is the job of SEO work to make it look good. It's hard to create quality content when it's hard to find quality sources of revenue. You need to be finding ways to bring in extra money so you can pay your bills. That's where freelance writing comes in. Friends, if you liked the video, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel.